The benefit work with this company, which is we do have a network. We have a network to help agent to grow. As a team leader, we have team members help us to marketing our listings, and we do have a lot of off-market deals, which is now on the internet. So, example, I just have a listing, I just put it up. Somebody already make me an offer, and then we open escrow. So I think that's benefit everybody.
How we have a team system, I think that's a genius part, as in we have different departments handling different tasks and allowing myself and the rest of the team members to not only focus on what we do best, and in turn to give the excellent service to all our clients, and at the same time to give me the flexibility that I can spend more time with my family and friends.
We don't have to do any of these cold callings and door knocking and trying to get our appointments every day and have to worry about where our next appointment is going to come, because all this is provided. It makes my life a lot easier. And now that last year I closed over 22 transactions, and my income has increased drastically.
And one thing that I decided to come join the team is it's very simple. Time, money, and at the same time flexibility. I no longer have to prospect anymore. What I do now is I just open up my calendar, make myself available, and then the team will go ahead and just book me appointments.
I have worked with different real estate office, and it's not like typical agents, but here everybody opens their arms to answer and help you, which is great. And also, as long as I open my calendar, I get appointments, and then I just go to see my clients. So not doing the door knocking, cold calling was really good, so I can spend my time with either my hobby or doing more stuff for my family. So it's the best place.
For my opinion, on my side, so it actually gives me more time to be with my family. So when I servicing our client, so basically all the client came from the company, so I don't need to waste my time to like door knocking or cold calling. So I just focusing on them. Because of that, so now I have a lot of free time to be with my family. So I can make my client happy, and then I also can make my family happy because I will always be there for them.
Your whole soul warranty is the best place to work. The reason is because they teach you a different way how to approach the clients. You learn a different strategy, something totally different than anybody else. That's why I'm so happy to work in here, because I learn a lot, negotiations, and do better in my deals. It's going much better that way.
I believe one of the most important reasons that our company is the best place to work, buy and sell real estate is because we have an amazing team who support and help each other. To make sure that we are doing well, we have the mentorship program, and the mentors are all amazing. That's why I believe it is a blessing to be part of this team.
How the team benefits me is that I don't have to door knock, I don't have to cold calling. I can focus 100% of my time into making offers, showing home every day, and that will benefit my clients because I can help them negotiate for the best price and term.
Before I joined the team, I saw your video saying that there is no cold calling, no door knocking. I was thinking like, really? Is that really true? So after we joined the team, it's really true. So there's no cold calling, there's no door knocking. The team system really helps me to focus 100% of my time to service my clients, so that I can actually focus more on them, and the team can actually help run the system.
I don't need to worry about how the market is going up and down right now in this changing market. I truly believe there is only one way to go, and the way to go is having a team system like the one that we are enjoying and practicing and putting the business like we do in a daily basis in the company.